Hello, welcome to this very exciting announcement. Camunda, of course, has been trying for many years to help people really embrace BPMN and executable process models. The problem has always been that, unfortunately, BPMN has too many symbols. There's a lot of them. There's like 50 something. They're really complex. Models are hard to read sometimes. Have no fear. We have, over the course of years, been secretly working on a solution to this problem. To remove all complexity from BPMN models, we will be using the complex gateway. Nela.
Yes, and it's so great. It's defined already by the OMG standard, and the complex gateway is kind of a white card you can use. And the logic behind it is it's the logic you want it to be. So you can define what the complex gateway is doing. And that makes a lot of things way easier already when modeling. But now Camunda is going even beyond just modeling. We are also able now to implement the complex gateway in Camunda platform. And we used some quantum computing, AI, and blockchain for that. And now we have a really exciting demonstration for you and showing you how that goes.
Here we go. Now, the first place you're going to see a big change is, of course, in the modeler itself, because we've needed to ensure that everyone is aware of this new change of complex gateways. Now, we will still have all the symbols that you're used to because we don't want to shock anybody. The difference is, no matter if you select a gateway, you get a complex gateway. Also, if you select basically anything else, boom, complex gateway every time. We have a context pad that we're leaving in there, but that's just for fun because everyone likes those. No matter what you select, you get a complex gateway. This means that you will not need to worry about any other symbols.
This is already a really great feature for new models, but you might wonder what happens to old models you've created in the past. No worries, we also have defined a way for migration, and I'm going to demonstrate it now. So this is a model that we've modeled in the past, and you can see we have a lot of symbols here. We have error events, we have a subprocess, event subprocess, and now the only thing that we need to do for migration is we need to change one gateway to a complex gateway. By doing so, AI will pick up all the other symbols and pushes them to the blockchain and create NFTs out of them. This way, you make sure you just have the complex gateway in your old model, and the rest of the symbols you don't care anymore. The blockchain has them now.
But what about all the modeling best practices and trainings that you've had to gone through to become such a good modeler? Well, don't worry, because at Camunda, we wanted that to become an important part of modeling as well, which is why we created the mind-reading complex gateway. Let me demonstrate how it works. All you need to do is put a complex gateway right in the middle of your model, then stare at it for about 2 or 3 seconds. It will then wobble up and down when it's actually finished taking, there you can see it happening right now, when it's got all the information it needs, and it'll take it all out of your mind and put it into the complex gateway. Then you just deploy it to the model, and then once you've got a cockpit, you can see it's deployed. But what do you see in the process? Nela.
So now the blockchain is important again. Now the engine picks up the symbols from the blockchain and create this model for you. So now you really have a complex model that represents what was in your mind, basically. So what you can see here now is what the complex gateway get out of Niall's mind. And in this case, we have the best business process that we could have, as you can see here. And I hope this outlines already how great the complex gateway is, the achievements that we have here at Camunda, and I'm happy to see your use cases with the complex gateway or any comments you have. Looking forward to your contributions.
Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
The blockchain has them now.
Blockchain has them now.